Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to land the drone in your hand without the sensors being bothered and flying upwards. So first I'm going to show you what the drone does on default with all the sensors turned on, and then with the sensors turned off on the bottom sensor, so you can land your drone in your hand. This is convenient for people either on a boat or if you just want more flexibility with your landing options. So I'm going to take this up in the air real quick. Okay, so all these sensors are on. Side sensors, front sensors, back, down, etc. So when I fly this towards me, and if I try to land this in my hand, it's not going to really let me. It's going to fly upwards. So let me show you real quick. And actually, it won't even come close to me because of the sensors are on. So I'm going to show you how to turn off all the sensors real quick. What you want to do is tap the sensors button and then enable forward and backward obstacle sensing. You just turn that off and press OK, and then all of them are off and you can use your drone freely now. So say you didn't turn that off, and I'm going to turn those back on. So all the sensors are back on. Now when I put my hand underneath the drone, it won't let me land in my hand because the sensor's on the bottom. And so it's going up all by itself when I try to grab the drone. So what you want to do is you want to go back to the sensing, scroll down and go to advanced settings, and then turn off landing protection. When you turn that off, the sensors on the bottom will be turned off, and this helps it land better, but since you're going to be landing in your hand, you just want those sensors off. So now if I bring the drone back over here, it's going to land in my hand more easily without me having to try to force and grab it and all that. So I'm going to grab the drone with all the bottom sensors on. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave in the comments. I would really like to know. And subscribe.